Hi there, I am Em and I'm so glad to see you here again. But guys, wasting time is wasting money and I just can't afford to make it happen. So let's go straight to trading. I'm setting my workspace and our investment deal will cost like $400, which is equal to our balance. Then we go to trading time, it is 1 minute. Well, you can use any different time frames which you would like to work on, but for me 1 minute time frame is equal to my trading time, which is works for me the best. So I set this, but for you it's up to you, whatever you want to work on. Then these are our currency pair which we will work on, and you can trade with oil, with company stocks, with precious metals. It doesn't matter, but what you want to remember always is the factor of profit, because you want to get the more coefficient which you can. So try to use the currency pair with at least 70% of factor of profit. So for me it is like 85, 87, the higher the better. We will also use our helpers, which are Supertrend and Williams Percent R, which will help for us for our technical analysis. So Supertrend looks like green and red lines, which overlays our chart. And Supertrend looks and the buy signal is generating when the line of the Supertrend overlays below the closing price and the indicators turns green. So here the line is supposed to go straight, but it ran into the candlesticks and then it just overlays above the chart. But it actually points at the general tendency rather than on back movement, so we will use just like helper. So let's go to Williams Percent R. You can also feel free to copy all these settings and paste it for you. And Williams Percent R takes the difference, the range, or the price floors and price ceilings for the particular time period and multiplies by 100. So the optimum for me is 14, but you can set whatever you want to. So how does it work in a nutshell? There is the period minus 20 and minus 80, and there is something between of these lines. The upper line is the oversell zone, and the bottom is overbuy, vice versa. And when we are between, there is consolidation, and when we just get over this zone, you want to enter two uptrending positions, and when it's get down, you can just enter the downtrend and so on. So there is a line which will where this line looks where you would like to enter, right? So yeah, I think that's it. But before we get started, I would like to kindly remind you to follow the link for my Telegram channel where you can trade with me. So let's go straight to first currency pair. Okay, here I would like to enter the uptrend, and then now this part. What we can see that there's consolidation. Then each consolidation has the support and resistance line, and this is our support and resistance line. So we just reached the support line, and then it just got back movement. So that's why we entered the uptrend. And since the general tendency actually is descending, but there is points of growth here and here, and the decanter looks up. So most likely there will be even a back movement, but still. So according to Williams, we are at our sell zone, which confirms that my prognosis was correct. So we are above of our entrance spot, which feels really nice. And yes, this deal closed at profit. So our balance is 740. So let's increase our investment, and let's go next to the next currency pair. Yes, so let's enter downtrend. And why I feel this way? Well, actually previous candlestick left the shadow, so all these shadows means that the back movement will happen really soon, and the general tendency is also going down. So here's a back movement, and little consolidation is happening right now. And even according to this consolidation zone, there is a little down zone, and it is barely touches this down line. So that's why we entered the downtrend. And according to Williams, there's also a line which well, thankful to this back movement actually. So let's trust our technical analysis. 3 more seconds. Yes. It is closing at profit. Okay, so our profit is 1,369, which feels really great. Okay, let's increase it for $1,000. I don't want to go all in. It is pretty risky because there is consolidation. And let's go next, where we can make it works for us. Okay, what we can see. Okay, let's enter downtrend. What we do, there is support and resistance areas. We just reached this resistance area, then it got down movement and back movement, and the switching of graph direction happens. So most likely we will really get close to our support line. And all this candlesticks is about to move within this down area. Even though the general tendency looks like it goes down, but still I feel that I went correct. And Williams also, we almost reached this our sell zone, which confirms which we are correct. We almost reached this support line, and yes, it is cosmic profit. Feels great. Feels it great. I think it does. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow the link which leads you to my Telegram, where you can chat with me, where are your like-minders, and where is my supporting team, where there's way more signals than here, and my private consultation, and it is like team of winners. So all the links you would like to follow, you can find in the description below the video. And let's go straight to the next currency pair. Yoo-hoo! Okay. So let's go down and analysis part. What we can see according to it. The general tendency is descending, and super trend also is descending. There's very confident bars, very confident candlesticks, and there is back movement, and the candlesticks gets lower and lower. So yes, and according to Williams, we are in the very low areas, even though there is a little consolidation, but still the general tendency is descending. So I'm pretty sure that it was correct decision to enter down. And there's also the resistance line, but it is not really helpful because it always get through, so it isn't really representable. There is very hard down movement, but okay, yes, it does. $1,870 more. Okay, that was pretty nervous, but okay, we made it. Next. Feels so great. And let's enter uptrend. Why? There is a hard down movement, but there is second back movement candlesticks, and it gets into the consolidation. So that's why we entered the uptrend, and according to super trend, there's 4 candlesticks back. There is very uncertain trend, and there is support area, and there's resistance line. We reached this resistance line. It switches direction. And this switching just happened all the time, and then we get through the second area of support. This graph again turned down and switches direction. And Williams also look up, which confirms that entering up was correct. There's nice growth. Yes. It does close at profit. Okay, and that feels great because we are almost reached $4,000. Last currency pair, but not least. If you want to work with my signals, with signals of other traders, and if you want to trade with me, follow the link for the Telegram. Description below the video. And next currency pair, the last one. Let's enter uptrend. Why? There is a big down movement, and we are at recover spot. So we follow the trend, and which is ascending. And super trend, the red line is in the upper position. The resistance line. And there's a resistance line, there is, and we reached the resistance line, the support line, and then it switches direction. And Williams percentage showed us a little growth, and there is consolidation now, but still this green line is above, which says that we are ascending. We are a little unsecure because I don't know where we are related to our entry spot, but there is nice growth. Okay. Profit. Yes. It goes at profit. Everything just closed at profit. All the deals are so successful. We started from $400 and now at $4,679. Oh my gosh, we just multiplied it so many times. So what are our settings for today? What was it? It is 1 minute deal, very short-term deals, and the time frame was the same, and the factor of profit of all currency pair we worked on is more than 70%. Also, we used the technical analysis, the super trend, and Williams percentile. All these three guys together worked the best for us. And there's super trend settings, and there is Williams settings. You can feel free to copy and paste and use it for your trading signals. Don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube channel, where there will be similar videos like these and like all others, and where you can feel my vibe, where I can spread all my knowledge and experience, and where I can share with you all I know. So, and another point to consider is that there is link which will lead you to my Telegram. There is private channel, there is private group with my private consultation with all the like-minders with way more signals than here on YouTube, and there's more detailed information, so you can take a precisely look, and well, there is just more detailed reviews on all our charts and things which we do here. So if you want to join me on my way, don't forget to join me on the all platforms which I invite you in. So guys, you have nice and wonderful day and successful trading, and I will see you very soon here and in my Telegram. Trade with M. Mwah!